is a tutorial for how to turn in work on Writer Duet. When you log into Writer Duet, it probably looks something like this. So the goal of this is to show you really how to just turn in your work in a way that you can share it via email. So you can save it as a PDF file. That way the PDF can't be edited. So it's really just to let someone else read it. So you're going to first go to menu, which is right here. So yours might look like this. This is the toolbar. So even if it looks like that, your menu is still right here. Click that, and then you see several different options here. Now there's two things you can do. You can either search PDF and then just click on PDF. You're going to get the waiting symbol and it just automatically downloaded. Okay, if you don't do it that way, it looks like this. You can go to File, and then again you can click PDF, or you can click on Export Document, and you can click down here, Export, and then as PDF, and there again it's the same exact thing. You download it as a PDF. So that's the really quick version of how you save it. The other thing is you can have a time machine on here. I just wanted to show you this. And this shows you like all of the times that it was saved, all of the times you've worked on the project in case, you know, you mess up or you want to see an old version of it or anything. Once you have saved it, it'll be saved to your computer. So you just go into your email and then attach your script as a file and send it to me. It's as easy as that.